KoBens Freezer Paper is the ideal choice for keeping your frozen food. No freezer burn. It shields food from freezer burn by creating a protective layer against air and moisture. Tasty and fresh. The barrier maintains the texture and flavor of frozen food, preventing off flavors from prolonged freezing. Easy labeling. The plain side makes labeling easy, helping you organize your freezer and avoids food waste. Cook from frozen. Ideal for cooking directly from frozen, especially for meats. It resists moisture and stays intact during freezing. Custom portions. Cut it to size for custom portions, ideal for separating servings or preparing meals in advance. Odor control. Seals in strong smells like chopped onion, garlic and durian, preventing them from spreading and maintaining fresh fridge. KoBens Freezer Paper, no freezer burn, tasty and fresh, easy labeling, cook from frozen, custom portions, odor control. KoBens Freezer Paper FZ4510, suitable for both the home kitchens and professional kitchens. You may also find KoBens Freezer Paper on Shopee and Lazada. For further information, visit our website at gola.com.